Pillow Square, all seen one up a view from the sky. We have been both explorers, discovering new land, seeking out new friends, dealing with routing.
Round things.
Well, I say it's time to tackle the ultimate routing. Your moon. Let's show your push up how to put a square on the moon without using rocket. Square power only. Why? Because it's fun to try.
Great. I'll be test pilot.
But how will we get all the way? Ah. Achoo. Sorry about that. All the way up there?
We call in some friends, some big square friends.
31 coming rainbow that fly. All system checking out. 7 by 7. Wish me luck. Achoo. Didn't get that high, but I did jump in vain. The square rainbow. That you are got to give it over to get lucky. Yeah, you are. This way, I have got so much to show you. I am 40 and I am a football club. Now we will go to the station on the moon. And I can be a strong square, a chessboard, a super rectangle, high 80 over block, or even a super cube. But today I want to show you a little trick I call. Now, call me E is 80 on the moon. Hi, let's go back to the park after green. It's back to normal. We will go to his first class when his character and stacked on top of each other. The measurement on the head increases.
20.
And 10.
And 8. And 4. And 2.
And 1.
And one more to press the big red button. And you choose who is going up.
One of me.
And none of me.
And one of me.
And one of me. And none of me.
And one of me. And fire.
We.
$20 did way up high.
Amazing, but not a square.
Wait and see.
We are two square.
Up.
The egg of space. Nearly there.
Ah.
Achoo. We E. GRRRRRRRRRR.
Amazing, we send a square up and up with South Space rocket. We still need a little one more power.
Achoo.
Huh? What were you sound?
Why, that would be me of course. I'm feeling a tiny bit. Ah. Oh.
Wow. That's one mega sneeze.
Oh, you think that's impressive? Hold on to your blocks. You're going to love this. Prepare for launch in
Achoo.
Woohoo.
We have live up.
Primary launch stage completed. Engaging secondary stuff. Chew.
We are reached the space. Second state complete.
Chew.
Entering lunar orbit. Launching lunar lander. Chew. The square has landed.
We did it. The only thing left now is to plan your square club flag.
Numberland, we have a problem. I forgot the flag. Don't worry little one, I'll take care of this. 64. And I promise. No rockets. Square power only. Chew.
Chew. Chew. Chew. Hello. Looking for this?
Hello, I am Numberblocks Basic Channel Manager. If you find this video good, press like and subscribe.